Okay, guys, look. It's going to my take profit. Look. Oh my God. Let me move this down so it won't hit. But this is the new indicator I built for TradingView. As you guys can see, this is much needed indicator. You can see that now you can clearly see your points. See, I'm up 87 points on this trade, and I'm up 18% on this trade right here. You can see that I have chosen 6 take profit targets, and it's already hit take profit 5, and it's on its way to take profit 6. So this is the new indicator for you guys. And I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take my profits. I'm going to take my money now. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this trade. All right, so let me show you how this new trading system works. This is so exciting. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. So let's go in here and take a look. So the only thing you have to do is to put in your entry price. Okay, that's all you have to do. Just put in your entry price. You can see this was my entry price, and then that was where I can calculate. It starts to calculate how many points you're up by and so forth. And you see it's still counting. If you wanted to stop and reset, then you just put this back to 0. Okay. And then that's that. And there we go. It's out of the way. Okay. It's done. So you guys clearly seen that I was up very nicely. Boy, oh boy, that was a nice trade. That was a nice one. So I'm going to put 45663. Let's just put that in. 45663.00 and click OK. All right, let's put that back. All right, so now we're back in. Okay, so watch this. This is so cool. Oh, I'm so excited. And we got more indicators coming too as well. So the bottom line is, see, I put this in, and then the next thing you can choose to do is you go in here and you pick whether you went long or short. See, if you go long, it's going to calculate it this way. If you go short or you sold, short means sold, long means buy. Okay. Then you also put in the number of contracts, and it'll tally up your profit number right there. You can choose ticks, but again, this is really built for points. So you can calculate how many points. So it's clearly saying, okay, it's still assuming, you know, that, hey, I'm still in the trade. So I'm up 78.5 points. Okay. Based on the new number I put in, because I forgot the original number where I entered the trade at. But either way it goes, y'all saw it. Now, the other thing is down here, we added an additional feature, which you can actually, you know, take this off if you want. Okay. But right here, it's so critically important. When you enter in a trade, look at this thing. Oh my God, this is an amazing tool. Oh my goodness, I love this tool. See? Take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hit, take profit 3 hit, take profit 4 hit, take profit 5 hit, on its way to take profit 6. So that is freaking amazing. All right, so here's the deal. What you can do right here for your take profit targets, you can tell it, hey, I want you to calculate based on 20 points per, see, 20 points, 40 points, 60 points, 80 points, 100 points, 120 points. So as you can see, it's calculating right here because you're almost at the 100-point mark. So that's why it's there. So the point is, you can change this, though, if you wanted to calculate by 10 points. Okay. You can do that and see how tight it just went. Or you can do it by 40 points each. Okay. And look at there. So it creates more space. So you can determine how many points you want this thing to calculate by to set your take profit targets. Okay. You decide that yourself. Okay. So me, I like doing 20 points of profit, 20 points each. And there you go. And so therefore I can stretch this out and I can clearly see again, take profit 1, 40 points, 60 points got hit, 80 points. Now it's tagging at 100 points. Okay. And I'm using Hakanashi candle, so it's a little bit different, but you can see that. Okay. So you get the point right there, right? That's so beautiful. Oh my God, I love this indicator. It's long needed. Oh my goodness. Your stop loss. Now, this is another thing that's critically important, because a lot of times, we're guessing, oh, well, my points are up here, I'm going up here. How many points exactly is your typical stop loss? Now you have the ability to preset that for yourself and default it, so you'll know, okay, so when I enter the trade, based on my entry and so forth and so forth. Look at that. It's going to 120 points. Look at that. Take profit 6. It's on its way to take profit 6. Look at this red line. Woo-wee. Take profit 6 just got hit. Oh, this is so amazing. I should have stayed in that trade, but oh my goodness. That's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Now you clearly know I hit 20 points, 40 points, 60 points, 80 points, 100 points, 120 points on this trade. You can clearly see it, and it's still going. So watch this. All right, so I said to have 6 take profits. Let's add 10 of them. Wow, there it is. See, you see how nice that is? Now we can move this up. Oh my God, this is amazing, amazing. Now you have take profit 6 hit. Now it's on its way to take profit 7, which would be 140 points. So you can clearly see this. Clearly. See, now it's showing that from the entry that I had, that it's up 128 points, 127 points. This is amazing. 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 Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is an amazing tool. So in a different video, I'll show you guys how to set this up into your charts so that you can have that, and how to get it activated, because it is an invite only protected trading indicator. And so I'll show you how to do that. And once you see how to do one, you'll know how to do the others as well. So it seems like it's freezing in between take profit 6 and 7 so far. Okay, let's swing over here. See, I didn't put an input, so let's do this one here. Let's say we would have entered right here at 23,260.75. 23,260.75. Okay, so let's do that one. All right, 23,260.75. All right, we went short. We did, let's say 3 contracts, and let's go. Let's click it. And there it is. See, it just populates. You're seeing your stop loss was up here. Now, if you want to move your stop loss to, to break even, okay, my stop should be put right here. If you want to move your stop to a lock in 20 points, now you guaranteeing yourself 20 points. You see, this is where your stop was. This was where your entry was. And now here is where your first lock in. So you're guaranteed 20 points. How do you know? It's sitting right there telling you. You're currently up how many points? 47.25. You clearly see that, and it's still climbing down past 40 points. So you already made 40 points right here, and it's climbing down to 60 points. Okay, so this red line is where it's moving to. If it hits this line, that means you made 60 points. So now you can move your stop to lock in from the 20 down to the 40. Okay, when it hits to the next one, or however you want to manage your account. But at least now you visually see exactly what's going on. You can visually see it with your own eyes and track your results. So this is freaking amazing. I'm so happy we made this. This is something that I needed myself, and so I figured by building this and adding it in as a tool for you guys to bring extra value, you guys would love it. Okay, all right, see you in the next video.